Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you something went wrong. Please try again in YouTube in iPhone. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, you have to turn this on and turn off it again, and then if you connect it with Wi-Fi, then click here and then click on it. Here the option forget this network, click here and connect your Wi-Fi again. After this, go back, and if you are connected with your mobile data, then you go back and here the option of mobile data, click here and add the option of mobile data option, click here, then go back and open your settings again. Here the option of general, click here, scroll it on, here the option of transfer or reset iPhone, click here and click on reset and click on the reset all settings, reset network settings, and you have to reset these two settings. After this, go back and open your app store. So you have to wait for few seconds and your page is loading now. If your YouTube is not updated, please update your YouTube app, and after this go back and reset your device and check that your problem is fixed. So if your problem is still not fixed, then open your any browser, for simply Safari. So right here youtube.com and open this and check that your YouTube videos are playing here. So if YouTube videos are not playing here, then you have to wait for hours, and this problem is for server done and you have to wait, then your problem will be fixed after some hours. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.